Yeah, so I'm, whoa, hang on. So I'm really thinking maybe I took the wrong road. Goodness. I tried to take the scenic route to have fun, but this is a little bit frightening here in this little Jeep. There's nothing open and there's no one else on the road. And I'm driving into a freaking blizzard. Yeah, well, at least I got enough food for 2 weeks. After that, I don't know what. I'll have to go pull a bear out of hibernation and eat it. I can barely see the road here. This is crazy stuff. But it's an exciting adventure. Yay, stay tuned.